why I'm washing it over. So this is where I am going to celebrate my birthday.
Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Never the girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then look at the answer.
It tastes good because it have honey. I'm just trying out different teas, but this is a home remedy. So guys, today I'm going to loosen my hair, but before that I want to wash the wigs that I'm going to use. But I will take you guys along the process as well. So guys, this tea, it contains cinnamon, bay leaf, honey and a lemon juice, but I put lime instead because I don't have a lemon juice. So I just use a little bit of lime. Look at the seed. Yeah, I thought it is going to taste awful, but it actually tastes nice. So let me just start washing my wigs, okay? I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So guys, I am outside and these are the wigs. I wanted to wash 2 wigs initially, this one and this one. So I just decided to wash all of my wigs because they are all dirty. So let me just wash them. And these are the products that I'm going to use. This is a conditioner and this is the shampoo. So I have here this other shampoo. I will use this first, then later on go with this other shampoo for double cleanse, then I use the conditioner. So that is what I'm going to do. So let's dive right into the video, okay? The wig cap is what gets dirty the most, so that is why I am washing it over and over. Guys, do you see how dirty these wigs are? They are very dirty.
Last time I take picture with you, now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do, see when we go get a while like to listen. Got the one you can't.
If you hit your enemies try. If you don't depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me and go take shit.
So guys, I just applied the conditioner. So I will let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will rinse it. The conditioner will make the hair soft. It will relax the texture of the hair. So that is why I apply conditioner, or that is why I put the conditioner. I will be right back. Okay, welcome back guys. So this has been soaking for the past 15 minutes. So let's take it out of the water.
Blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for
So guys, it is the next day and these are the things that I'm going to use. This is my tripod and my ring light, and I've already packed all my things the day before the trip, so let's keep on going. Who is driving? Oh my god. For the past 3 years when we married, I never see you drive. So now they drive. Papa God, Lord go safe. Lord go safe. Jesus. Hey, Mahala. Papa God.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is steady. 'Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty.
It's my birthday. I'm gonna do what I don't mistake the English. It's my birthday. I'm gonna do what I love. What I love? Yeah. It's my birthday. I'm gonna do what I like. It's my birthday. I'm gonna do what I love. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. So guys, today is Thursday, the 29th of February. So guys, today is my birthday and happy birthday to me. So now we are on our ways to our hotel room, so we want to go and check in. So that is what we are about to do.
You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no maybe. Anytime, some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. My killers don't tell. Shut down my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
Decide what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that
I've arrived. Bye. I will talk to you guys later, okay? So this is where I am going to celebrate my birthday. So this is a gift from my husband. This is where he said, let me celebrate my birthday. Okay? Look at the pool. The pool is over there. Let me zoom in. no more. Zoom out. The resort is called Sunset Resort. And look at the beach area. This will be my house for today. So let me just give you guys the tour. And this is my own vicinity. And when you walk in, you will see the sign that shows London. And yeah guys, let us see how the place is. On your left hand side, you will see this window, and over here you will, yeah? The lady don't go. Okay, I'm there. I maybe man can.
No, I'm operation manager.
Okay. Okay, thank you. This all? Yeah. Okay. No, maybe man. I'll try. Okay. So what will go for do now? So guys, let me just give you guys the tour of the room because I was distracted earlier. And when you look up, you will see this beautiful traditional chandelier and a fan, and on this side you will see the bed and 2 windows. Then this is the main door, and on the other side you will see another 2 windows. That means there is a lot of lighting in the room. This is a close-up of the bed, and it's actually soft. It is very comfortable. And also the floors are wooden floors, and they also provide a bedroom fridge and a center table with a rug and plasma and AC. Then this is the chair, this is the couch. My luggage is already occupied the couch. When you walked down the other angle of the room, you will see this small wardrobe that have 2 cupboards underneath. So yeah guys, and on the left hand side you will see the bathroom. And yeah, this is how the bathroom looks like. Nothing much in the bathroom, but yeah, this is the sink, this is the toilet, as you all know that. And yeah, this is the shower. So this is basically everything about the bathroom plus the shower. And yeah guys, this is me looking at myself in the mirror. I will talk to you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye loves.